it's a pleasure to see you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Lovely to see you. What made you most excited about this collaboration with Nykaa? It's your first as a brand ambassador. How are you feeling?
I'm so honored and excited to be here and associated with Nykaa. Firstly, of course, because it's makeup. But also, after I met Falguni ma'am and her daughter, and I spent some time at their office and really understood what this brand stands for and how it came into being and their journey. I was so taken by all of it. And I find it so inspiring that they talk about the real girl as opposed to this glamorized version of a picture-perfect role model that as young girls we've had for so long. And I love how accessible it is as a website. And I also love that it's empowering in the sense that it gives you the choice and freedom to choose the products that you want. And they've got a lovely collection of their own. I'm actually wearing a lot of their products today, which I enjoyed thoroughly.
Thank you.
Wonderful. And Falguni, what made you choose Janvi?
Well, as I said, for the first time when I met her, I was absolutely charmed by her magnetic personality and down-to-earth attitude. I remember when she came to our office, I was really charmed. And I remember that particular word she said, that I love to drown myself in highlighters. So I said, welcome to the world of beauty, yeah. And I had already watched her first film, and I had loved the film, and I loved her in the film. And I saw so much talent and self-assuredness that it was very easy to imagine her as a face of our brand. Her love for all things beauty cemented our belief, and there was really no better partner for us than to choose Janvi as our brand ambassador.
And to mark this very special occasion, ladies and gentlemen, we are all set to unveil a specially curated selection of Janvi's favorite picks from Nykaa's private label, Nykaa Cosmetics. Please welcome on stage CEO of Nykaa Cosmetics, Reena Chhabria, to unveil the collection. Janvi loves. Your 20 plus years of experience in the retail industry, having worked with some of the biggest players in the industry, tell us about your association and your vision for Nykaa Cosmetics.
So at Nykaa, we strongly identify with Janvi, who's a very strong and young woman, very independent. At Nykaa Cosmetics, when we started out to set up the brand, some of the things that we said, it has to be very youthful. The product quality has to be uncompromising. And trends that we bring into the world, into India, which are trending. I think those are the same products that Janvi loves. And I think as part of the collection, what we've done, we've got a whole collection across lips, eyes, face, and nails. And Janvi's now picked out a lot of products, and we're doing an edit of what she loves as Janvi loves.
Wonderful. So could you tell us a little bit more about what is her association with the brand and how are we going to see her featured with all these beautiful products?
Well, I think the first one, of course, is her endorsing all the products, her liking it. I think all of these products are products that any girl can use, whether it is a daytime look or a night glamorous look, and she wants to really highlight. I think those are the products, whether it is liquid liners, a matte to last liquid lipstick, which really stays on forever, whether a Mattelicious lip crayon, which is a supremely matte product and really long lasting. I think the highlighters, as she said, she drowns. She's picked these out for all the millennial young people, so that they can use it and make themselves up. I think in future, I think there is a lot to do. I think she will definitely work with us in helping pick out the trends and products and being the face of the brand.
Wonderful. Janvi, on to you.
Yes.
What is your favorite item from this collection?
My favorite item is actually, it's this lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It's a mix of Lacy Luck and Devious Pink. And we mixed it and I'm wearing it right now and I think it's a very cool color.
Nice.
And I'm really enjoying
Yeah.
the shade. Yeah.
Nice. So the little pinks, huh?
Yeah, the
So
little
that's a
pink.
part of our So Matte collection, which is the highest selling product today in terms of
Fabulous. We
volumes.
know what's going to be trending all over social media tomorrow. Janvi, this is your first association as a brand ambassador. What made you choose Nykaa? You shared some of that a little bit before, but is there something about beauty specifically, your earliest memory or association with beauty that really means something to you?
You know, I think it's human nature to want to have control over the way that you look. And it's a form of self-expression, really, to pick and choose how to present yourself. And I take a great deal of interest in it. And even while I was growing up, I'd watch my mom getting ready for these events and these shoots all the time. And it's one of the most vivid memories I have is of her getting ready. And she was so good at doing her makeup.
That makes two of us.
And as a part of the job, it's a big part of the job to look a certain way, and I think it's a great tool even when you're playing a character to be aware of makeup. And so I'm very fond of it, like fashion. I think it's a huge part of fashion. It's a big part of me as well.
Do you think it's for a millennial, although I hate this term and I think it's misunderstood, it's getting more and more important that people are becoming more aware now of makeup and makeup trends? And
I think so too, but I think the meaning of that can change. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're wearing more makeup,
Yes,
but
exactly.
I think that they're smarter products and there are more interesting techniques. And I think what's happening now is, and this is just an observation, is that people are now leaning more towards looking natural, which is something that I enjoy much more. And a lot of these products, I think the shades that I love shades that are more natural and more simple as opposed to heavy.
so you talked about being natural, which I think is a wonderful trend that's actually everywhere in the world. How much time does it take for you to do your makeup, and what is your makeup beauty routine?
It really depends on where I'm going, what I'm wearing. But on a daily basis, I just use lip balm. But when I'm getting ready for an event, like I said, it usually depends where I'm going. But I think like 20 minutes.
Girls, take note. No one needs to spend more than 20 minutes. I think that's fair. If you were allowed to have only 3 makeup items with you for the rest of your life, what would they be? Makeup products, beauty products.
I'm obsessed. So Nykaa has this macaroon lip balm.
Okay.
And it smells exactly like my favorite flavored macaroon. So that, also because I have really dry lips. That and just a really good moisturizer and kajal.
A what?
Kajal?
Kajal. Kajal. Exactly like we would have expected, Janvi, for you to say Kajal. You know that Nykaa stands for, I admire you very much, as Falguni earlier said, about how you sort of conduct yourself and how confident and self-assured you are, and congratulations on your film.
Thank you.
You know that Nykaa reflects, Indian women expressing their individuality. You talked about that a lot, and young girls wanting to be individualistic in themselves and be natural. What message would you like to give young girls today who want to just go for their dreams? And how would they achieve those?
I think that they should do exactly that. And I think that every woman has a different journey and they should be proud of their own journey. And they don't need to follow anyone because no two things can ever be the same. And the most beautiful thing about you is that there's no one else like you. I know that sounds phony and corny, but it's true. And I think that the minute you start to enjoy yourself and little things about yourself, the more other people will too. Not that that should be a benchmark in how you value yourself, but you should just be unapologetic in what you want and you should just go for it and be strong.
Thank you, Janvi. That was beautifully said. We're going to throw it open now for some questions from the media. So whoever has a question, raise your hand. Grab the mic. Very well-behaved audience, I must say.
three beauty products which are very important to you, but what is the one thing that is the most important to you without which your beauty routine is incomplete?
Y'all will laugh. I put, but it's true. I wake up and I put honey and malai on my face. So that's a big part of my routine.
Okay, thank you.
जानवी जी आपके साथ
जी
जानवी जी क्योंकि ये ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट है इसलिए आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि ब्यूटीफुल दिखना एंड ब्यूटीफुल एक्टर जानवी कपूर सुनना कितना पसंद करती हैं आप
खुद को जब दूसरे लोग मुझे ब्यूटीफुल बुलाते मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है बहुत मजा आता है ये सुन के
एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू जानवी जी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे जितने भी आपके फ्रेटर्निटी वाले एक्टर हैं लाइक यू एंड योर सिस्टर एंड सुहाना अनन्या सनाया तारा सुतारिया इन सब की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो किसे आप मानती हैं कि ये सबसे ब्यूटीफुल है
ये कैसे सवाल पूछा है आपने आप मुझे प्रॉब्लम में डाल देंगे नहीं बहुत सब दैट्स माय पॉइंट एग्जैक्टली सब लोग ये सारे लड़कियां इतने ब्यूटीफुल है और इन सब में यू नो एक इंडिविजुअलिटी है खुद में इतने खूबियां हैं जो शायद और लोगों में ना हो सो वी शुड सेलिब्रेट दैम ऐसे नहीं है कि इन सब में से सिर्फ एक अच्छी है और बाकी बुरी वैसे बिल्कुल नहीं है दे ऑल वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड दे ऑल शुड बी सेलिब्रेटेड
Is the honey and malai from your mom or grandmom?
No, we just had this thing at home. Whatever we'd eat for breakfast, whatever was left, we'd put it on our face or on our head.
That may not be advice that everyone needs to follow, guys.
Except for like anda bhurji and masala. I don't put that. But
Honey and malai, good old school tricks.
yeah.
So hi, Falguni, I just need to know what is the future of Nykaa and how does Janvi fit into the future of Nykaa?
So, like you're aware, Nykaa is almost 3-4 engine powered by, it's a firm powered by 3-4 engines. And we want to continue to grow on online e-commerce side. And I mean, she's our brand ambassador both for the website as well as for Nykaa Cosmetics. And she'll have a very important role to play to connect with the next set of consumers. So there's a lot of debate about the internet and how only 300-400 million Indians are online and how many more are likely to come. And especially the number of women shopping online is also limited. So I think the purpose of having a brand ambassador, because Bollywood has a much deeper reach, is to reach the masses, so to speak. And our distribution will match up with that. Anyway, as e-commerce, we reach all of them. And through our content, communication, and engagement, we intend to reach the next 100 million women.
Wonderful. Last couple of questions.
Hi, Janvi, you're looking stunning.
Thank you.
Now that you're a beauty brand ambassador, do you think that there's more pressure on you to look your best all the time, 24/7? And how would you deal with that?
No, I don't think there's pressure, but I think that's what Nykaa is about, is that you don't have to look perfect all the time. But you have to look like yourself all the time. And I think, I don't
Yeah, I mean, if you come to Nykaa office, everyone's working away, and yet if you ask them to be on social media, they're happy to go. So I think you want to be yourself, and you're beautiful every day. So I mean, there won't be any pressure.
I don't feel any pressure. If anything, I think I'd like young girls to. I feel like there's a lot of pressure on young girls anyway with social media and the kind of, I don't know, the kind of things that are being advertised to look a certain way, to be perfect all the time. But it's okay not to be, as long as you're happy with how you're looking.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Last question, please.
Hi, Falguni ma'am. Can you tell us about your future upcoming campaigns?
I think if we tell you everything today, then I think it's better you wait for them. There will be something unique, I'm sure, and we are cracking our brains at it. So that's all I can say. Thanks.
Some surprises coming your way. Thank you so much, everybody, once again for joining us. We're going to have some photo ops on
मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं इनके साथ एसोसिएटेड हूँ. थोड़ा लाउडली. It's a very, I think, what this brand stands for is something that I believe in very deeply. और इनके products इतने खूबसूरत है, इतने यूजेबल है. मैं खुद यूज़ करती हूँ एंड मैं genuinely बाकी लड़कियों को भी encourage कर सकती हूँ कि ये कॉन्फिडेंस से इनकरेज कर सकती हूँ कि ये प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कीजिए और इनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके इनके प्रोडक्ट्स को देखिए, तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस है. तो हाँ, ये 3 चीज़ मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है.
अभी आपने इतने हम्बल होकर कहा कि मेरा पहला ब्रांड
जी.
है, और क्या रिएक्शन था द मोमेंट नायका अप्रोच यू टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट?
क्या रिएक्शन था?
Reaction is, how was the feeling altogether? You know, you started with Dhadak, then the very first brand, they wanted to be a part of it, and that too as a brand ambassador.
I was very excited. I didn't think I was cool enough to be the brand ambassador of anything, but it's humbling. It's a huge honor, especially because it's a young brand, but it's moving so fast. And मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि ये एक इंडियन ब्रांड है, इंडिया में क्रिएट हुआ है, और इन दोनों पावरफुल लेडीज़ ने इस ब्रांड को कंसेप्चुलाइज किया है और क्रिएट किया है, तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत अहम बात है.
एंड फाल्गुनी जी एंड मैडम, आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे कि जानवी जी इसका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है और इसे प्रमोट करें, तो कितना प्रिविलेज मोमेंट होता है आप लोगों के लिए. सो
Anjita, first you.
I mean, we've said this many times, but the minute we met Janvi, we knew that she had to be, part of our team and part of our family, because, I was just telling her that she really does epitomize what Nykaa stands for. The most beautiful thing about her is really her warmth, her liveliness, her lightheartedness, while at the same time she's so incredibly strong, ambitious, hungry, hardworking. So we could not think of a better, woman to be associated with, both as a brand but also as people and friends.
आई थिंक मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि मैंने जानवी का मूवी देखा था, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी वो मूवी में. और पहले आप हमारे सोशल मीडिया में भी पढ़ोगे, सब कह रहे थे कि नायका को ब्रांड एम्बेसडर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट व्हेन आई सॉ हर, आई रियली थॉट कि मुझे बहुत पसंद आई जानवी, उसकी रियलनेस, उसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी, और हमने सोचा कि ये नायका के लिए बेस्ट एम्बेसडर है. और हमने बहुत जल्दी डिसीजन लिया, हमने अप्रोच किया कि हमें जानवी के साथ काम करना है. सो वी आर रियली हैप्पी एंड थ्रिल्ड कि हमें तो हमारी ड्रीम गर्ल मिली है.
सॉरी सर, तक तो नायका से क्या लेना देना है, पहले मुझे वो बताइए. हाँ, ये तो सही है. मैं इनका सवाल पहले से.
Janvi, your mentor, your Karan Johar, there is a lot of rumors that you will be cast with him again in maybe कुछ होता है और दोस्ताना. So if you want to clarify the rumors,
उन्होंने शायद
you can just clarify the rumors.
ऐसा कुछ होने वाला
आप उनसे पूछिए ना, लेकिन उन्होंने शायद मजाक, मुझे मैं प्रॉब्लम पड़ जाऊंगी, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाली.
Let's stick to relevant questions, guys, please.
And how excited you are working with Karan?
I'm very excited. Let's talk about Nykaa. I'm very excited. But let's talk about Nykaa. I'm so excited about Nykaa also.
Thank you guys.
माइक